Good morning. A higher opening in volatile intraday range is likely to be repeated on the bourses today. The bulls have enough problems to cope with. The telecom scam is hogging the headlines, and now the otherwise clean image of the PM has taken a beating. Whether the 2G imbroglio along with the other scams will have wider political ramifications for the UPA or not remains to be seen. Stocks like Arcom, Unitech, Videocon Industries and Sham Tele could come under pressure. SKs is another stock that will remain in the spotlight, and so would the banks having exposure to MFIs. Triveni Engineering will announce its results today. The Nifty has taken support at 5,980. A move past 6,020 is likely to extend the pullback towards 6,170 in the near term. Globally, Ireland appears to be drifting towards an imminent bailout, helping the euro recover against the dollar from a 6-week low. Fed Chief Ben Bernanke has joined the war of words against China's currency policy while defending his Q2 earnings gambit. The Nikkei in Tokyo is trading near a 5-month high. Other Asian markets are mostly in the red, though not significantly down. Stock indices in the US, Europe and Latin America rallied overnight amid growing indications that Ireland will eventually take the EU-IMF rescue to prop up its ailing banks. Portugal could be next in line for the bailout as the Eurozone debt troubles mount, so the European debt cum fiscal worries may resurface every now and then. Currency movements should be closely tracked for cues on global developments. Meanwhile, the OECD has pruned its GDP growth forecast for the advanced economies and has warned of the worsening global imbalances. The FIIs were net sellers of Rs 4.52 billion in the cash segment on Thursday provisionally as per the NSE website. Local funds were net buyers of Rs 1.18 billion. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net sellers at Rs 15.57 billion. The foreign funds were net sellers at Rs 168 million in the cash segment on Tuesday as per the SEBI website. The other news for the day is promoters of Patni Computers, that's General Atlantic, revive plans to stake sale. Nalco, JSW Steel and Jaiprakash Industries have evinced interest in setting up an aluminium refinery and aluminium smelter in Kutch, Gujarat. ONGC's oil output is expected to go up significantly in the current fiscal on the back of higher reserves accretion. JBF Industries has acquired 100% stake in its unit JBF Global Pte Limited for $104 million. Sun Pharma has received US FDA approval to market Clarinix tablet and Tizac capsules. ONGC to invest Rs 5 billion in renewable energy R&D. Bharti Airtel crosses 200 million subscriber mark, sports a new brand logo. BEL expects Rs 7 billion order for coastal surveillance. TRAI asks government to cancel 69 licenses of 6 telecom companies. Food inflation drops to a 12-month low of 10.3% for the week ended the 6th of November 2010. India's GSM subscriber base grew 3% in October with addition of 14 million customers. The FDI inflows rise 40% year-on-year in the month of September to $2.1 billion. Moving on to the recommendations, the technical calls are a buy on Infosys Technologies. We advise buying the stock above levels of Rs 3,005 with the stop loss to be maintained at Rs 2,970 for a target price of Rs 3,050. A buy on Aurobindo Pharma. We recommend traders to buy the stock above levels of Rs 1,272 with a stop loss to be maintained at Rs 1,255 for a target price of Rs 1,320. The derivative strategies are long L&T November future in the range of Rs 2,060 to Rs 2,065 for a target price of Rs 2,180 and the stop loss is replaced at Rs 2,020. And long GT offshore November future in the range of Rs 371 to Rs 373 for a target price of Rs 384 and the stop loss is replaced at Rs 364. Thank you and have a great day ahead.